Namaste. My name is Liz Lindh from Lakshmi Rising School for Yoga and Wellness. This is a Sitali Pranayama technique for cooling, balancing, and enhancing our natural beauty. It's a 4-part breath where we'll inhale for a 4 count, hold the breath in for a 4 count, exhale for a 4 count, and then hold the breath out for a 4 count. This even ratio of breath is called samavritti. We inhale through a curled tongue, like this. If you can't do that, you can inhale through your teeth. So as we inhale, we'll point the chin to the sky. We'll hold the breath in and stretch the tip of the tongue back to the soft palate at the base of the back of the throat as we lower the chin down. We'll exhale through the nose and hold the breath out, these last 2 parts, using Jalandhara Bandha, the chin lock. The chin comes back and down. So when we put it all together, it looks like this. Let's try it together. Inhale through your tongue, point your chin to the sky. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath in, lower your chin down. Exhale through the nose. And hold the breath out. Let's do it again. Inhale, chin to the sky. Hold the breath in, lower the chin down. Exhale through the nose. And hold the breath out. I hope you enjoy this breathing exercise.